Structure blocks are a great way to copy paste builds in Minecraft. Here I'm going to place a structure block, and anything that is in the lines will be copied. So I measure out 15, I'm going to put a 15 here. I'm going to take a look and make sure that that's correct. Looks like it's going to work. I'm going to save it to disk. I'm going to name it House 1. Make sure that it's saved, and I'm going to go to another location and drop another structure block. This time, I'm not going to save it, I'm going to load it. And I'm going to put that House 1 name right here, and I'm going to hit the load button. Once I hit the load button, boom, there it is. It's all ready to go in a whole new area. All I did was copy paste. I didn't have to do any building. Thanks for watching, and if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get more videos about Minecraft.